Are you ready to join one of the fastest growing communities in the Portland area? Well, this beauty in Happy Valley, with stunning views in a quiet cul-de-sac, is ready for you. Tucked away in a peaceful cul-de-sac, this beautiful updated Happy Valley home offers the perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and serene outdoor living. The completely remodeled kitchen showcases stunning quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The spacious open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The beautifully landscaped backyard features an amazing water feature, adding the peaceful ambiance. The expansive back deck, featuring a motorized awning, offers breathtaking views of the valley and Mount Hood, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding in the evening. The fully finished walkout basement is a standout feature, offering a bathroom, ample storage, and endless possibilities, ideal for a guest suite, recreation room, or additional living space. Upstairs, the luxurious primary suite boasts a walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bath. Additional bedrooms are generously sized, and the bonus room provides flexibility for a playroom, gym, or media space. Located near top-rated schools, parks, shopping, and dining, this home truly has it all. If this home checks all your boxes, let's make it a reality. Give me a call today.